Project is Smart Car System. This project comes under Wireless Networks domain. Problem statement: the facilities in modern cars are for entertainment purposes and for overall enhancement in traveling experiences, but some features are the cause of accidents. Features like handling the speed of wiper, the intensity of headlights, especially during night time, causes a lot of distractions to the driver and hence accidents occur. With increased intensity in traffic, it is not safe for the drivers to get distracted when it comes to switching the facilities. As we know, manual switching takes more time and attention than automatic switching. Therefore, designing a system where features will work automatically without human intervention is our motive. Our project has 4 features. First, automatic headlight control. By using LDR, the headlights can be controlled automatically depending upon the light falling on it. Second, automatic wiper control. A rain sensor is used to detect the rain, and depending upon the intensity of rain, the wiper speed is controlled. Third, anti-theft system. To enter the car, a person has to enter the password. If password is right, then the car is unlocked. If it is wrong, the owner is sent an SMS. Fourth, pothole detection. Using an ultrasonic sensor, if the distance from the sensor to the ground is greater than the ground clearance of the car, then the pothole is detected. The location of the same is sent to the government bodies with the help of GSM and GPS. The controller of the whole project is Arduino Mega. Here is the demonstration of our prototype. With the help of Bluetooth module, the directions of the car are controlled. This application is readily available in Google Play Store. To assemble the car, we have used Robo Chassis. Now we will see all the features one by one. For automatic headlight control, we have used normal LEDs and light dependent resistors. As light increases, resistance decreases and vice versa. During night time, the headlights must be on. Hence, when it is dark, minimum light is falling on the LDR and resistance is maximum, and with the help of Arduino programming, the LEDs turn on. Now, during daytime, the light falling on the LDR is maximum and hence headlights turn off. Required modifications can be done using Arduino programming. The rain sensor module has copper tracks. When maximum rain falls, the resistance across the track decreases and voltage increases. Whenever the rain falls on the windshield, the rain sensor will detect the water droplets, and depending upon the threshold, the speed of the wiper is controlled. When there is heavy rainfall, the speed of the wiper increases, whereas during mild rain, the wiper speed decreases and it turns off when there is no rain. Now, for anti-theft, we will first pair the Bluetooth module with the Bluetooth terminal on our cell phone. The password in our project is 123 and the last key is enter. When the right password is entered, message will be seen on the Bluetooth terminal, and the same if the password is wrong. If wrong, with the help of AT commands of GSM, the message will be sent to owner. Thank you.